What's going on, guys? Dwayne here with my investment journey. Thank you so much for watching this video on YouTube. In this video, I'm going to talk about my very first dividend payment with Huntington Bank, ticker symbol HBAN. That's what we're talking about in this video. But hey, if you're new to the channel, once again, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey. And on this channel, I talk about how to start investing in the stock market and I show you my investment journey. So be sure to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Okay, so when it comes to investing with the stock market, I have had some really bad experiences, and of late now, I am really investing in dividend-paying stocks. Now, there's a lot of ways to make money in the stock market. I'm by no means a guru, a professional, nowhere close, and I don't pretend to be. That's not what this channel is about. The channel is about sharing my journey and showing you how to start investing in the stock market, how you can start making some money. So most of the things I'll talk about on this channel will be about making money over the long haul. I'll never try to tell you guys, oh, we're going to make some quick money today. No, that's not quite what we're going to do. And I really haven't had a lot of success doing that. As a matter of fact, at one point, I was down $60,000 in the stock market. So I don't want you guys to like see my portfolio and think, oh man, this guy has a lot of money and XYZ. No, as a matter of fact, let me log into Robinhood right now. All right, so we're in Robinhood right now. I'm going to touch on 1Y, which means 1 year, okay? And then I'm going to show you guys the slider. I'm going to touch right here. And as you guys can see, this is the amount of money that I actually have invested in Robinhood, okay, since May 2020. Now, I did not put this entire amount of money in there, you know, right at May 2020, but this is the amount of money that I have invested starting May 2020. Now I'm going to slide the slider here, and as you guys can see, at one point I was down $59,229.36. I was trying to be a day trader. It didn't quite work out for me. So I ended up deciding to do investing more along the lines of dividend payments, which brings me back to this video, my very first payment with Huntington Bank. Not really much of a big payment, but it doesn't matter. Dividends will continue to grow. I'll continue to reinvest, and hopefully, fingers crossed, 20-25 years down the road, I'm going to have a lot of passive income from the work that I'm putting in right now. That's the beauty of dividend investment, and it can be passive, and you can basically earn your living. You can get paid monthly, quarterly with your dividend payments, and you can live off of that. So I'm going to scroll down right now to HBAN. I'll click on it. At the making of this video, it's $16.16 per share. Let me scroll down and show you my very first dividend payment here with Huntington Bank. Okay, so you guys can see here underneath history, April 2nd, 2021. It says dividend plus $15. I currently have 100 shares, and they paid 15 cents per share. So the math on that's really simple. 100 times 15 cents is $15. Now I haven't reinvested, because if I did, you would see that there would be underneath history, you would see that I invested, the $15 back. Just to kind of show you guys exactly what I'm talking about, let me touch on one of the ones that I did reinvest. I'm going to click on ARR. Real quickly, I'll scroll down and show you guys. So history here, March 29th, I got a dividend payment, $84.62. March 31st, you see that it says negative $84.62, which means that I bought some shares. I haven't done that yet with Huntington Bank, but I'm going to do it right here. At least I'm going to submit the transaction right now. So I'm going to click on trade right now, and I'm going to click on buy. And I'm going to just spend $20. At the top right of the screen, you see that it has dollars. You can purchase in dollars, or you can purchase in shares. The dividend payment was for $15, but I'm just going to purchase a full share, right? So at the making of this video, it's $16.16 per share. So I'm just going to purchase in dollars. I'll just put 20 because my available balance right now is $265. So I'm going to put $20, and then I'm going to click on review. Then I'm going to swipe up. Now the market's currently closed, but it's going to put it in the queue to make this purchase at the opening of the market, which will be tomorrow. So they're estimating that I'm going to be able to get 1.23 shares. once again, the dividend payment was for $15, not quite what it's trading for right now. Right now, $16.16, but that's okay. So I went ahead and submitted this order. Of course, it says upcoming activity. It's in the queue that I want to purchase, $20 worth of shares, which once again will be 1 point something shares. All right. So it's telling me that they're going to try to execute the order tomorrow, Thursday, 8:30 a.m. Okay. So the next time, of course, instead of having 100 shares, I'll have 101 shares. I'll show you guys once again. I have 100 shares. My average cost is $12.26, which is really cool. I should have bought a whole lot more, but I didn't. My total return is $390 at the making of this video. And that's going to be pretty much it. Guys, dividend investing is really, really awesome, especially if you invest in solid companies. Now, some of the stuff that you guys will see in my portfolio is a little bit on the risky side. I think that as I continue to make investments in the future, I will invest in more sound companies. I won't be as risky. Right now, I'm taking some very, very big risks as far as the companies I'm choosing to invest. So be sure to do your own research and do what is most comfortable to you. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, be sure to subscribe. Click that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. All right. Once again, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey, and I approve this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, take care and be blessed. Peace.